guys, what's up? I hope everything is okay. Well, has someone ever asked you to do something but you simply just don't have any time? Of course, this happens to all of us. I know you can actually just say, "No, I'm busy," but that's really rude. Do you know that we can actually do it more politely? Well, here are some of the ways to say "I'm busy" in English. Okay, first we have "I've got a lot to do." You might hear people say that "I've got a lot to do." This is the more common way that people express that they're busy. Kamu mungkin mendengar orang berkata bahwa banyak hal yang harus mereka lakukan. Ini adalah salah satu cara yang umum digunakan orang untuk menyatakan bahwa mereka sibuk. For example, "I'm going to the office early. I've got a lot to do today." Aku akan pergi ke kantor lebih awal. Banyak hal yang harus aku lakukan hari ini. Next, we have "there's a lot going on." It implies that you are busy but doesn't really give the person you're speaking with many details. Ini menyiratkan bahwa kamu sibuk tetapi tidak memberikan banyak detail kepada lawan bicara kamu. For example, "I can't commit to anything right now. There's a lot going on in our office." Aku nggak bisa berkomitmen untuk apapun sekarang ini. Ada banyak hal yang terjadi di kantor kami. Okay, the third we have "buried with work." You know, this is another phrase you can only use when you are extremely busy. Ini adalah frase yang hanya kamu gunakan saat kamu benar-benar sangat sibuk. For example, "I can't go out this weekend. I'm buried with work." Aku nggak bisa keluar akhir pekan ini. Aku terkubur dengan pekerjaan. Okay, the fourth is gonna be "tied up." You can't take this literally. This has nothing to do with actually being tied up. It means that something took longer than you expected or you were doing something and you could not leave. Kamu nggak bisa mengartikan ini secara harfiah ya guys. Ini nggak ada hubungannya dengan benar-benar diikat. Tetapi ini artinya kamu membutuhkan waktu lebih lama dari yang kamu harapkan atau kamu sedang melakukan sesuatu yang kamu nggak bisa tinggalkan. For example, "I was tied up in a meeting all day." Aku terikat dalam rapat sepanjang hari. Oh gosh, couldn't do anything. Next is "I've got a lot on the go." If something is on the go, it is not finished. This phrase signifies that there are a lot of things you need to finish. Jika sesuatu sedang dalam proses, itu artinya sesuatu itu belum selesai. Frase ini menandakan bahwa ada banyak hal yang perlu kamu selesaikan dulu. For example, "I'm looking forward to my vacation. I have so much on the go right now." Aku sangat menantikan liburanku. Begitu banyak hal yang harus aku lakukan sekarang. Okay, the last for me is gonna be "I'm swamped." It is easy to get stuck in a swamp because the soil is so wet. If you are swamped, that means you are so stuck that you can do anything else. Sangat mudah terjebak di rawa karena tanahnya yang sangat basah. Jika kamu tenggelam dalam rawa, itu artinya kamu udah nggak bisa bergerak atau ngapa-ngapain lagi guys. For example, "I can't take on any additional project. I'm swamped with my current work." Aku nggak bisa mengambil proyek tambahan apapun karena aku tenggelam dalam pekerjaanku saat ini. Okay guys, can you summarize what we have just learned today? There are 6 ways to say "I'm busy." First, "I've got a lot to do," and then "there's a lot going on." "I'm buried with work," and then we have "I'm tied up," and the 5th, "I've got a lot on the go," and the 6th is "I'm swamped." Well, if you have another expressions to say "I'm busy," please give us the comments below the video. Finally, I would say that being busy can be really positive if you change the way you think about it. So keep busy and always productive. Bye for now.